But a couple of pharma stocks are also in the news, with the US FDA issuing observations for Aurobindo Pharma as well as Ajanta Pharma. Ekta is here to bring us up to speed on both of those. Ekta?
Thanks for that. Well, I'll start with Aurobindo Pharma, which is in focus because we did access the Form 483, which was issued to their Unit 11. I'll just give you a quick background on it. It is an antibiotic API, a non-antibiotic API facility. It was inspected earlier in 2018-2019. It was issued an official action indicated status in 2019, which then turned into a warning letter in 2019. So it has had warning letter on it. It was re-inspected recently from July 25th to around the 2nd of August, and at that point in time it was issued around 3 observations. We have accessed those 3 observations, and largely the street is possibly of the view that maybe this particular plant would see the light at the end of the tunnel, or these observations would then successfully be resolved for Aurobindo. But remember that it entirely depends on the communication the company has with the US FDA and the kind of remediation they undertake. But it seems like there is no data integrity kind of observations or stricter observations than what was expected. Separately, Ajanta Pharma is in focus because the US FDA inspected their Dahej facility last week and issued them 2 observations on that particular plant, which manufactures formulations. Remember that exports is around 30% of their business, and within that the US is around 30% of their sales within the export market. It was up 6.5% in the previous quarter. They have guided for around 4 to 5% growth for the entire fiscal, a bit subdued in terms of guidance.
Thanks, Ekta, for getting us all those details from the pharma space.